In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "something went wrong" error on Google Gemini. If Gemini suddenly stops responding and shows a message like "something went wrong" or "try again later," the cause is usually a temporary connection issue, a stuck chat, old app or browser cache, an extension conflict, or a short-term Gemini service problem. Google's Gemini Help Center has a general fix-a-problem section, and Google support guidance for these errors repeatedly points to refresh, cache clearing, restarting, and checking your connection as the first fixes to try. The first thing to do is try the simplest fix. If you are on the Gemini website, refresh the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and open it again. In some cases, starting a new chat also helps, because the current conversation may be stuck in an error loop. Google support discussions specifically mention refreshing, restarting, and opening a new chat as common fixes for this error. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone or computer is online and that the signal is stable. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test another connection. Google's troubleshooting guidance for related Google messaging products also says connection problems can often be fixed by confirming internet access and restarting the device or network connection. If you are using Gemini on Android, clear the app cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Gemini, or in some cases the Google app, open Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. Google's official Android troubleshooting for the Google app says clearing cache can fix problems, and Gemini Community Troubleshooting also frequently recommends clearing the Gemini app cache for this exact error. If you are using Gemini in a browser, clear your browser cache and cookies for Gemini, then try again. Another good test is opening Gemini in an incognito or private window. If Gemini works there, a browser extension, saved cookie, or cached site data may be the problem. Google support threads for Gemini web errors repeatedly recommend clearing browser data, disabling extensions, and testing incognito mode. You should also make sure the app or browser is fully updated. On Android, update the Gemini app and the Google app through Google Play. If nothing changes, stop the app and reopen it. Recent Gemini support guidance also suggests checking system app components on Android when some error codes keep appearing. If you use a VPN, ad blocker, or privacy extension, temporarily turn it off and test Gemini again. Some users also fix the problem by signing out of their Google account and signing back in. These steps are commonly recommended in Google support discussions when the error keeps returning even after cache clearing. And if the error still does not go away, send feedback directly to Google. Google's official Gemini help page says you can open Settings and Help and choose Send Feedback. And you can include a screenshot to help explain the problem. That is the best step when the issue looks account-specific or when a broader Gemini problem may be affecting multiple users. So the full process is simple. Refresh Gemini, restart the app or browser, try a new chat, check your connection, clear cache, test incognito mode, disable VPN or extensions, update the app, and then send feedback if the error still remains. In many cases, one of those steps fixes the problem quickly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.